Hey everybody, this is just a real quick video to show you what's going on with the tailor-made fenders and how to replace the valve. I have this fender that I've had for a while, came with the boat, and just the other day I noticed that it was flat, was no longer holding air, and more than that, it was taking on water. I'd never seen how to manage that kind of thing before with the tailor-made fenders. So I thought I'd put a video together today to convey what I found out. So the first thing is that these valves here, the air valve, can be replaced. It is relatively simple, and replacement valves are available through TaylorMade. I couldn't find them on their website, but if you call their phone number for customer service, they can help you order them by phone using a credit card or whatnot. And I got a set of 4 replacement valves for $3.95 plus delivery. Delivery was, I think, an additional $5 or something like that. So I bought a couple of kits just to have them on hand. But I'll show you how now to take this out. Okay, so what I do is I just wet that a little bit, and with a pair of needle nose pliers, you stick one of the jaws into the center of the valve, push it down and away, and as the other side of the valve becomes exposed, grab it with the pliers and pull out. There you go. And that is the valve we're talking about. Now, as I mentioned, the valve on this fender was so far gone that the fender actually took on water. And I tried to shake the water out of here, but this valve stem, or the receiver for the valve, actually goes quite deep, maybe 1.5 inches, maybe not quite that far, but you can't just shake all the water out. What I found did work was the use of some cotton string. And so I just fed a brand new roll of cotton string down into it, down to the bottom, and the cotton quickly absorbed the water, and then I pulled it out. As long as you don't, you're careful about dropping it in there nice and gently, it'll come right back out with no difficulty. Anyway, so the cotton string helped me remove at least most of the water in there. Okay, so once the valve is removed, and if you use the string to get the water out, that's fine. This is the kit that came from TaylorMade. It includes a couple of reed valves, or needle valves rather, and 4 of these of the actual rubber valve replacements. And in it also is instructions, so that makes things real easy. But what they want you to use is silicone grease to grease the valve and grease the entrance here, so this actually slides in really nice and easy, and it forms a real nice tight seal. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit of this grease here and just a little bit on here. And part of the process says you should heat this up, and it's not right now. We'll see how this goes in, but and then I'll use just the end of the pliers here to push this. Yeah, it's not going in. So you want to use the blunt end. There we go. So TaylorMade does say that you should heat up this area with like a hair dryer, or leave it in the sun so that the valve goes in easier. I didn't do that this morning, so it was a little more difficult. But now it's in, and I can use the needle valve to fill it up. I'll leave the number for TaylorMade in the description below, so if you need to, you can get a hold of them direct. Thanks for watching.